COVID-19 staff shortages sparks Australian school problem. COVID continues to create chaos in Australian classrooms, despite assertions the outbreak is over. Schools report daily teacher shortages owing to sickness. As a result, some teachers are combining courses, others are cancelling them, and whole grades are going back to distance learning for at least part of the school week. Mask regulations, contact tracking, and close contact isolation times have been scrapped nationwide. Masks are no longer required for school workers or children, and proven cases no longer need isolation. Schools have resumed camps, assemblies, and other mass gatherings under department directions. In other situations, more than 1,000 students and personnel are jammed into inadequately ventilated buildings. Many school camps have become mega-spreader events, say parents on social media. Before 2021 and 2022, infection rates and fatalities in Australia were low. State governments reacted to prior pandemic outbreaks by using remote learning as a mitigation tool. During the December to January summer school break, state and federal administrations, both Labor and Liberal, collaborated with teacher unions to reopen schools regardless of infection rates. 6 months later, widespread infection, disease, and death followed. 7.7 million cases have been confirmed among Australia's 26 million inhabitants. Around 7,000 of the 9,200 COVID fatalities occurred in 2022. Australia has the third highest per capita COVID fatalities among nations with more than 10 million people. A May-ABS analysis examined COVID's impact on families. 1/3 of Australian families with under 18-year-olds said COVID impacted school attendance. 12% of homes said that they were hesitant to enroll their children in formal education, such as elementary school or preschool, because of COVID. Government and unions downplay the crisis's severity. One teacher told the World Socialist website that elementary school administrators in New South Wales, NSW, have been threatened with disciplinary punishment if they spoke to the media about kids compelled to study from home when class sizes decreased owing to staff shortages. Many schools report up to 40% staff absenteeism due to COVID infections.